Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 versus the Koenigsegg Jesko. We'll explore how these two incredible machines, despite both being high-performance vehicles, cater to entirely different drivers and purposes. From their engineering philosophies to their on-road presence, we'll break down what makes each car unique. Get ready for a fascinating look at two automotive titans. When it comes to raw power, the differences are stark. The M8's twin-turbo V8 engine delivers over 600 horsepower, offering exhilarating acceleration. However, the Jesko takes it to another level, with its twin-turbo V8 capable of producing up to 600 horsepower on E85 fuel. This allows the Jesko to achieve speeds well over 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars ever. Beyond power, their designs and driving experiences diverge significantly. The M8 provides a luxurious, comfortable cabin, perfect for grand touring with its plush materials and advanced technology. In contrast, the Jesko's interior is minimalist and driver-centric, focused purely on performance and aerodynamics. The M8 offers a sophisticated, high-speed cruiser feel, while the Jesko is an untamed beast built for the track. Finally, let's talk about price and exclusivity. The BMW M8, starting around $140,000, offers incredible performance and luxury for its segment. The Koenigsegg Jesko, however, is a hypercar with a price tag exceeding $3 million, reflecting its limited production and extreme engineering. It's a collector's item, whereas the M8 is a high-performance daily driver. For those looking to simplify their routine, check out the link in the description for leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.